to setting up your LinkedIn profile as a sales page. What I'm going to go through today is exactly what your sales page needs to look like and what elements you need to have on there. And then I'm also going to give you a resource on how you can get this right for your business too. So I've got a specific document that we're going to be filling out, which is going to help you build your LinkedIn profile as a sales page, which I'm going to be showing you shortly as well. So let's dive straight into it. So if you open up your LinkedIn profile, there's a couple of things which you need to have. So step number one is that you need to have a background image. Now, mine is not the one that I was looking for, but put something that's relevant to your company. Then you need to have a professional profile picture, okay? And what we've seen is that people who actually have professional profile pictures get viewed more, get connected with more, and actually get more business from LinkedIn. So make sure you have a professional profile picture up there. No pictures of you sitting on a boat unless that is your profession, or with your family or with anything like that. Make it a business page, okay? Then you need to have your headline over here. And then you need to have your summary. And this is really the key thing to having a profile that actually converts. Now, in the summary, what we're going to have is we're going to have a bunch of questions. Then we're going to have your bio. And what this bio is about is not just talking about you, but actually how you help people succeed. Okay. Then there's going to be a call to action, right? Then you're going to have your experience or your skill set or a case study, whatever is relevant to you. And then you're going to have another call to action at the bottom. Then underneath, you're going to put testimonials. If you've got video testimonials, put video testimonials up there. You see, I've got a bunch here. You can also do case studies. So write a case study on a branded document, pop that in here for people to go take a look at. Okay. Then we're going to take a look at your experience. So you need to put that in, and that's how you've helped people succeed. And then you're going to take a look at your skills and endorsements, put those up as the highest ones that you actually want to be endorsed for. And then you're going to ask for recommendations. And you can see I've got quite a few recommendations here. People love working with it. Now, the reason being that we want recommendations is because people take a look at this and say, you know, whatever you did for Celeste or for Kelly, that's what I want. Okay. It makes your sales job that much easier. Then you want to list down your accomplishments. Okay, you can take a look at mine if you need some inspiration. Okay, so that's the basic structure of the page. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go over to this page over here. So your LinkedIn profile structure document. Okay, and this is really going to help you craft your landing page, your sales page. So the first thing that you need to do, and listen, you can play around with this as much as you want a little bit later. For now, get this right. Do this exactly as I'm showing you, and you will get results. Okay. If you start playing around with this now, you're never going to know what works. This is a proven method that we have used again and again to get results. So use this first. If you can always change this at a later stage as you're changing your products and services and focus. Okay. I change and update my profile fairly often based on whoever we're talking to or whoever we're going after at that stage in the game. So this is your line, your tagline, okay? And if we take a look at the tagline, this is what I'm talking about over here. So you see, I've played around with mine a little bit. But what I want you to really focus on, this is your headline over here. What I really want you to focus on is writing something simple, okay? I help my ideal client achieve whatever it is that they want to do through a certain methodology. So I help business owners, CEOs, and MDs attract, convert, and keep more of their ideal clients through marketing automation, as an example. So fill in for yourself. You've got this sheet, so go and fill this in, go and write it out. Do it on a Word document first, and then copy and paste it into your profile document. So I help whoever your ideal target market is achieve whatever it is that you help them do through whatever methodology that you have in either system or process or structure or whatever that looks like for you. Okay. Here's an example here. You can look at mine as an example if you need to. Then we're going to go to the summary. Now, the summary is the most important question your LinkedIn profile must answer is how do you actually help people? Remember, people don't care about who you are or how many degrees you've got or, you know, whatever information about yourself or where you've worked or, you know, what size company you've got. They really don't care about that. The only thing that they care about is how can you help them solve their biggest problems. Okay. Remember, this is a sales page. It's not a summary of what you've done in the past. This is a pitch to your target audience, solving the biggest problems they have and why you are the ideal person to help solve those. So you want to connect to those emotions. Now, step 1, write down 3 questions. Okay, so these questions are: what are the biggest challenges your client faces? What do they want to achieve in their business or personal life? Or what are their major concerns or pain points? So you can see in mine is that I have gone and I have put in: would you like to have a hyper-targeted marketing system so that you attract and only spend time with your ideal clients after they've been highly qualified, no matter where they are in the world? Do you want to streamline your operations, decrease staff turnover, or replace staff and boost productivity and sales? Do you want to create automated, scalable systems so you can grow your business without everything having to rely on you? Is your goal to increase customer lifetime value and have more sales opportunities with upsells, cross-sells, and downsells? Are you looking to implement systems so you can have more freedom in your business and be able to run it from anywhere in the world? But this could be on the other side as well, as do you want to avoid the pain of? Do you want to stop working so hard in your business and start working on your business? Do you want to create more free time? So those are some more examples. So write those questions down and you're going to put those in your profile structure. Then you're going to answer the questions. How do you help them solve these challenges? What are some of the results that they can expect by working with you, and how do you qualify or disqualify them? So this is really cool, and you can put in some case studies of people that you've worked with in the past, and I'm just talking 1 or 2 liners. So remember, we've got 1,200 words that we can actually put into the profile structure. So make it succinct, make it to the point, and make sure that you're getting your message across. Then your bio, which is short and concise, okay? So if you take a look here, my bio is this little section over here, okay? It's literally 1 paragraph. And this paragraph is not about, what I've done in the past and what companies I've worked for and what degrees or qualifications or anything that I've got. This is specifically around my past experience and what I've done to help people achieve results. Make it relevant to your business right now, okay? So 1 paragraph in there. Then we need your call to action, okay? This is a free download or something that you can give away to build a relationship and engage. So what I've done here is I've sent them a call to action to go check out my website, number 1. But there's also another call to action to go to my website and download my book, The Automated Income System, How to Charge More, Work Less, and Feel Great About It, which then puts them into my sales funnel. I capture their information. We start the communication process. This has worked like an absolute charm. We get a lot of downloads from people like this. So if you've got a free download, do it. Get them to take that. Option. If you don't, that's okay. Send them to a landing page where they can go check out your stuff, and there's a call to action there. Okay. Then the next thing is going to be your credibility. And this is any articles, publications, TV, radio, podcast, interviews, any infographics or videos you have made or anywhere you've been featured. Okay. Now, this is great, but also put in testimonials. Okay. These testimonials get viewed like crazy. To give you an example, this video testimonial from Kelly has been viewed almost 800 times. This one from Carrie has been viewed about 300 times. And the one from Don Schmitz has been viewed almost 1,000 times, okay? So when people want to connect with me, they just say, hey, you know what you did for Kelly? That's what I want. You know what you did for Carrie? That's what I want. You know what you did for Don? That's what I want, okay? And that is how you build your credibility, because it's a lot easier for people to see how you can get results by other people telling them, or by writing case studies, or by your radio, TV, or podcast interviews, okay? Make it easy for people to connect with you and to understand who you are and how you help people get results. So I hope that was helpful. If you want to connect with me, reach out to me here at matt@thevirtualedge.com, okay? But .co.za would reach me as well. If you need some help or you have any questions, reach out straight to me and I'll help you with those. And also, if you are looking to take a look at some of the other products and services that we offer, go and take a look at that too, because I know this is going to get you results, okay? We've got an online LinkedIn program that I'll be sending you some more information on that shortly too. So Good luck. Go and set up your profile. Go and send me some results. Connect with me on LinkedIn and tell me about what results you're getting, because I absolutely love to hear results. I love to hear progress. It's what gets me up and drives me every single day. So looking forward to hearing from you. We'll talk soon.